Okay, what do we think about this view today? I've never filmed this way at all. And I feel like I was just like missing the days where I just sat down on the floor, although I'm still not on the floor. But that's just because now if I sit on the floor, everything freaking hurts. Today my drink isn't that fun, but I do still love it anyways. It's just the Vita Coco. You go loco, cause it's so dang delicioso. If you're not chronically online, you probably have no idea what I just did there. I did not make that up myself.
This is my theme song for Vita Coco. Vita Coco, you go loco, cause it's so dang delicioso.
She did Dr. Pepper too, didn't she? Anyways, I've been drinking a lot more of my coconut water just to like be better hydrated, especially in the summertime. So whatever. I'll pop a Coke a little bit later. Let me show you guys what I picked up from Dollar Tree. I am having massive FOMO right now because I feel like I need to be hitting the stores. So get ready for possibly a DT week where all of my videos for the week are going to be Dollar Tree. And I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Should I just take you along to like a different Dollar Tree every week and see if I can find all the new things that are out? I feel like that could be really fun. Like grab our purse and let's go. So let me know. Anyways, let me show you guys what I picked up. I had these on my shopping list. I finally found them at a different store. Obviously, they've been scarce because of Memorial Day, and now we've got 4th of July coming up. These are just the little flags, and I love them. I do so many DIYs with these, and like my neighbors put them out like in their yards, which I think is really cute. Then I found, this is also new, little ice molds. Round. I actually really like the size. I grabbed more cables or zip ties. I don't know why they're called nylon cables. I call these zip ties. So I use these a lot, surprisingly. My receipt, but I don't think it really applies to the total because I do feel like I have like mixed bags in here from different trips. But this receipt says $44.50. Okay, I picked up these poster letters. Look at the size. I think the size is actually perfect. So if you're a junk journaling girly, craft girly, scrapbook girly, go run and get these. There's that. I picked up some play money. I think I have like an idea on how I want to like DIY these for scrapbooking. I'm not trying to start nothing, but like, why can't we just print more money? Like what's the mechanics behind that? Like, why can't we just print more money and just like give it to everybody? I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead and grab another bag. So I picked up this Pine Fresh Penolin. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing that correctly. Now I've got this before, so this isn't anything revolutionary, but I've been seeing a lot more people talking about how good this scent is and how it's like their absolute favorite. I've even seen house cleaners talk about this and it's like their client's favorite. And it just kind of like made me go, oh, you know what? I love a good pine sol scent. So, and supposedly people think it smells better than Pine Sol, the brand, which, you know what? It actually kind of does. Okay. I picked up this hand soap. I think you guys might have seen it in a haul or like a shop, not a haul, a shop with me, but I got this for my half bath over here. So I'll like insert a clip of me putting it in there so you can kind of see like the vibe I was going for. Cause I did pick this specifically for just like the coastal vibe that I have going on in there. And I really like the blue label. I like the amber look of the soap. It's not an amber glass, it's plastic, but so, and the whole time in this bathroom I've had like Christmas hand soap. So it was time, you know what I mean? Okay, then I did pick up these little hand soaps. They're really fun, like summertime. There's a pineapple and a strawberry. See, I found this cute little novelty pens. That's actually another reason why I really need to like, I need to go to Dollar Tree right now because they've been putting out new pens, highlighters, markers, and I've been stressing out because I'm like, I have to find them. I have to find them. I picked up another one of these. This is just a refill for me. This is the lip balm that I wear every single day. I put it on this morning. It's already gone, but I couldn't be more obsessed if I tried. And this is my favorite color. I don't really grab any of the other colors either. I then found this glue dot runner. This shook me. Have I hauled that before? I don't know, but I'm really excited for this. So I'm gonna put this in my scrapbook little tool bag. All right, then I finally got my hands on my favorite mints, the ones specifically in this green packaging. Now, one Dollar Tree store had none and they had the blue bag, which I hauled and showed you guys. I was like, I wanted the green, but all I found was the blue, so I went ahead and got the blue. Then I went to this Dollar Tree. Obviously, I picked up 3, but these were also empty. Like, I think I had grabbed the last 3, to be honest. So much of the blue, hardly any of the green. So that tells me that I'm not the only one who clearly thinks the green is the better one. These are so underrated. You pop one and you can't stop. So beware, okay? All right, then I picked up the Sour Patch Kids. I love getting candy boxes. I love junk journaling with it. So obviously the World Cup is here in the US, so I had to get this. I loved these boxes, so I got the pink and the blue. Kind of like reminds me of like a little gender reveal kind of thing, so that could be a cute idea. I grabbed this cute little sticker pack by the Teaching Tree. Then I picked up these wall decals with the bows, so I got 2 of them, but I am gonna use mine to junk journal with. Like, how cute are these little bows for scrapbooking? I love the pink with little hearts, and then I also love the little sweet yellow with stars. I loaded up more on my favorite socks, especially like the ankle ones. They definitely are my top favorites. I'm wearing Dollar Tree socks now, but you can't see them because they're the no-show. I have not found any more in a really long time, so I might have to break and like buy some from like Amazon or something. But anyways, then I picked up these. I already have a DIY. I need to decorate for 4th of July, but this DIY that I did goes in this little corner right here where my coffee station is. So definitely go watch that video. I'll link it down below. But I got some more. I picked up these erasers because I'm gonna be collecting them. I don't know, I guess that's what I wanna do with my time here on Earth, is collect freaking erasers. I understand how that sounds, okay? I understand how that sounds. All right. So you already know. Get him. And then I got this little rummy pack. I've gotten it before, super cute. I really like the duck on it. I also picked up the Lisa Frank pack of stickers, nothing new, but I wanted to get it because Lisa Frank is making a comeback. I think she's like reopened up like her warehouse. I'm not entirely sure like if that's a rumor. I think it's true. And I know that Lisa Frank has been doing collabs. She did a collab with Stony Clover. So I know she's definitely like, obviously still around. There's still stuff in production, but I think she's making like a super huge comeback. So I'm like trying to get Lisa Frank while I can before I feel like it could, you know, be scarce. I also got these flashcards. I'll just kind of, I was like, y'all, someone's breaking in, but it's Micah. Hey. Are you doing that thing where you talk British again? Fuck! I didn't mean to. Anyways, these cards are super cute. I love them. And then the back have like just the color. These are some of my favorites. I got more of these. Little postcard. Oh, they're actually like a collage kit, I guess. This one's my favorite of the pack that's out there. I just think it's the cutest one. Just to show you guys what they look like. Yeah, this one, actually, no, this one's not my favorite. This one's my favorite. This one has all the like ice creams and super cute things in there. I feel like Crafty Girl hasn't seen you in a long time, Micah, on my channel. Anyways, then I picked up this little like bead kit to make bracelets, you know, craft with that on some level. Then I found these to-go bowls with lids. This was probably one of the best finds in this haul. Anything that I feel like, you know, can be functional or help or do anything you know, household wise, I always think is going to just be such a good sellout at Dollar Tree. I think that's fantastic. And then I'm gonna end this. All right, and ending this on I don't even know. I don't know what these are, but they're by Be Pure. Usually Be Pure will put like who exactly that they're duping on the packaging, but I don't see anything. Let me know if you know who this dupe is, but these are hair and body mists, Tropic Vanilla and Peach Breeze. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray all of these and I'll tell you which one I like the most. I typically don't like peach scents, but if you like a peach scent, this actually smells like good in a way that doesn't feel cheap. Okay, let's do Cocoa Splash. These are, I will say so far, 2 for 2, very strong, but not in a bad, overpowering way. But like I say that in a way that doesn't feel very like weak, you know, like it's gonna wear off in 30 seconds. Like this could have really good longevity with that. Okay, and then I'm hoping this one's gonna be my favorite, Tropic Vanilla. Loki's right here. Okay, I'm getting vanilla for sure. I don't know the tropic part, but it does smell good. I mean, it's hair and body, so I guess I'll douse myself, but that's my haul. Loki, you wanna come say hi? Yeah, come say hi. To the camera, you know damn well who I'm talking about. Don't act surprised. Come on, come say hi. You wanna say hi? Right there, they're right there. You can look there. You know that it's there. Hey, you gonna say hi? Come here. Come on. Bye guys, see you later. Your coat is so good. Your coat is so good. He doesn't know Micah's here. Go say hi to Micah. She's here, go say hi. Did you? He's gone, he said, see ya. Did you already say hi? Get your toy. Get your toy.